Hi there. Welcome back to another new video. In this quick video, I'll show you how to enable dynamic refresh rate. The laptop I'm using is a Legion 5. If you go to Windows settings and check the dynamic refresh rate option under display settings, you may see that dynamic refresh rate is not supported. However, there is a way to work around this problem using the tweaks app provided by the laptop manufacturer. Nowadays, most laptop manufacturers provide a dedicated application for the devices that allows you to change advanced system settings. For Lenovo, there's the Legion Space application, which you can download and use for your specific laptop. First, visit your laptop or PC support website and search for your product. On Lenovo's website, there's an option to automatically detect your product, so you don't have to search for it manually. Once your product is detected, go to Drivers and Support. After that, navigate to Software and Utilities. Depending on your laptop manufacturer, you may find the required application under different categories. Simply download the application and install it. I have already downloaded and installed Legion Space on my laptop. When you open the Legion Space app, you will see many advanced control settings. For now, click on the More button. There, you will find an option called Adaptive Refresh Rate. Click to enable this option. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.